In this tutorial, I'm gonna tell you about interesting fact. And that fact is how I became fluent in English by my own. I'm gonna share my experience with you guys. Dear all, the first and most important thing if you want to learn English is create an environment for yourself. I did the same thing. I have created an environment for myself. After creating an environment for myself, I started learning. Now, how did I begin learning in that time? When I have created an environment for myself, I kept my laptop, my smartphone, some English language activities cards with myself, some books in the room with myself. I'm at a table and have a chair and I've started learning. I was giving 45 minutes every day for reading and listening. That's how I created an environment and I improved. The second thing is, don't forget to go for practicing speaking. Now, practice speaking or talk to yourself. It's a great saying, practice, 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 because practice makes you not a perfect but unique and different person, unique and different in your thoughts. Dear all, practice as much as possible. If there is no one to practice with you, you are the best person to practice and face yourself. Stand in front of the mirror and just communicate to yourself. Ask questions from yourself. How was the movie that I watched last night? How was the class that we have taken today? How was the topic that I read today? And what was all about the class today? What did I do in the whole day? Describe your daily routine to yourself, activities to yourself. That is how you will improve. If you do them, you're going to improve. The third point that I'm going to share with you is listen. Listen as much as possible, because listening makes your speaking great. A smart listener is a good speaker, a great saying. Dear all, I did the same thing. I was listening more. And I was practicing the same thing. And sometimes I was recording my own voice or making my video, and then I was playing that, watching that, taking out my mistakes and correcting the same mistake next time. That's how I improved and I became fluent. Dear all, don't forget to go to the next step, the next thing that I was practicing. It was what? Mistakes. Lose the fear of committing mistake. Don't forget that mistake is the only hurdle which is stopping you from learning English language or any other language. I could say mistake is the only thing which is stopping you from learning in your life. So don't care about mistake. Even native speakers are committing mistake while they are learning English. Great people are committing mistake. And a great saying, your great mistake is your smart teacher. So if you commit mistake, welcome it, correct it, and do it best in the next time. Try your level best to be the best. Dear all, I practice English language. Where did I practice it? The app, BBC Learning English. It helped me a lot. When I was committing mistake, I was going there, I was watching videos, I was correcting myself. And I have already made tutorial on best apps. Don't forget to watch it. The link is there. Go watch that, understand, and take help of them. Dear all, don't forget to go to the next point. Is I have experienced it and I have learned English language. It was all about reading. Read out loud as much as possible. Read. Jitna ho sake, read as much as possible. If you read out loud, read for 10 minutes a day. Second day, go for 20 minutes. After a week, for 30 minutes. After a month, for 40 minutes. That is going to help you a lot to improve your English. And what I did was welcoming new knowledge and barriers. So, welcome new knowledge and barriers. Barriers and knowledge, they both can come. When new knowledge is coming, we are getting happy. When barriers are there, we are getting upset. Don't be upset. Barriers are giving us new knowledge and learning. So, welcome all of them. Try your level best to accept the way things are and learn in the resources that you have. You will improve a lot. You will have better speaking in the future if you exercise and you follow these tips that I have shared with you. This is my own experience, and be here. I'm bringing great things to you all. Have a great time for now. Stay blessed. Stay happy.